What's up, y'all? It's Kenny from I95 Motorsports. Here, I want you to see this 1971 Impala we built for Rod Wave. Took me and my team about 2 years, put it together. We worked our asses off on us. Basically, he came up with the color scheme, what color he wanted the interior, what color he wanted to paint the car, and basically let us go from there. As you can see, the bitch has a straight like aero glass paint job on it. 24-inch Daytons. It's got the bare brakes on it. Every single nut and bolt has been addressed on this car. Everything was taken apart, powder coated, put back together. The bottom of the car was painted. All the bolts that hold all the stuff is all the same screw all the way around. On these we use a different kind of screw so we can hide it a little bit. The bottoms, those are custom. You know, the panels. We take a lot of pride in lining up the moldings on the car so they're even. It takes a lot of time to do that stuff. You know, we got the gold handles, gold door lock, gold mirror. And then it's got all the stuff inside the door jambs, all the stuff you would want, this GM and all the gold stuff. Gold on the side of the seat. You know, we put chrome bolts, stainless steel chrome bolts to hold the gold down. Gold pedals. We made all this stuff, all this insert that goes around this. We make all that. It's got the colorful light up. It's got the new old school digital. You can see when it lights up. We got the nice 9-inch TV in it. Took us a lot to mold that and make that fit, and not use the smaller 7-inch one. And then we got the cup holders with the phone charger in it already. You know, everything in the car lights up like it should. All the panels, everything inside, all the door locks been gold plated. Gold AC vents. Car's beautiful, custom steering column. Dayton steering wheel. See the brown seat belts to go with the brown carpet and the brown dash. Want to kind of go along the lines as a Rolls Royce on the bottom, matching the carpet and the dashboard together. All of this is leather, all leather interior. We took all the little buttons and had them gold plated and put them back together. We matched the tops of these with the seats so everything would be together. It's got a gold rack on it with all the pieces on it. Nice canvas top. You know, everything like it's supposed to work. Starts right up. No problems. Yeah, you ain't got to help it up. We got the piece in the back. We got the little piece in the back. We got lit up with his name and shit in it. This car actually has the cutouts too. So we have, and then we have the cutouts. Now this one's got a little specialty inside of it. This is the LT5. Basically when we put it in, we decided to put the oil filter over here. We used all the Steve Mead wiring harnesses. We did the AC off the firewall. You know, nice motor. We did all these stainless steel, polished, intake, did the whole pulley kit. And then instead of running 2 lines out of here, we went ahead and made a manifold and brought two big number 12s off and ran that into our heat exchange. We like to do a heat exchange too, which is actually a separate radiator. Thank you. See, it's got the gold-plated cover, gold-plated latch. We use stainless steel lines to go down so we don't have those curly lines rubbing on our fender well, scratching it. So we do those stainless steel. You know, all the bolts back where they're supposed to be, everything how it's supposed to be, water squirters in, all the lines for the, all the bolts, everything looking like it's supposed to. Everything lined up, everything gapped properly. Try to hide most of the wires if we can. Stainless steel exhaust all the way to the back. This one has Global West upper and lower that we took apart and had powder coated. Bare brakes we took apart, powder coated. Has the Viking coilovers front and back. So overall, beautiful car. Got a nice stainless steel gas tank. We painted the drive shaft, and you know, there's nothing on it that hasn't been touched. Try to do everything. Try to get as much done as we can. A little bit of dirt. I'm fucking anal. I could clean this bitch for a month. Oh, you want to see the trunk? We did a really nice trunk for him. Oh, wrong key. See, you gotta read sometimes and it says it, you know, trunk. Keys are gold. Oh yeah, pops real easy. Custom made for them. Abandoned girl of my dreams, letter from Houston. I really appreciate him letting our team build this. We had fun being able to do something custom. Appreciate him trusting us to get this thing done and to be of the caliber that he expected it to be. That's what we shoot for. It ain't about the money. It's about the product. Sometimes you got to do shit twice to make it right, but it is what it is. Every molding, every clip, every bolt. You know how it goes. I wouldn't give a damn. We didn't even use new old bolts on holding the handles in. If it's old, it's been reconditioned. If it's old, it's been redone. So if you like the video, subscribe. We're gonna start doing more detailed videos of the cars we have that we're building right now. This is what we're putting out. You know, we built the Donk of the year, so you know, we got to come hard with this one. I think this one might got him when it comes this year. But you know, that's what we trying to do. We trying to build. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Check out I95 Motorsports. Check out our page. Tell us what you think. Peace out, y'all.